In this video we will tell you the 10 passive income ideas that could generate you a lot of extra cash. These passive income ideas could make you rich this year. I have personally tested many of these passive income sources and made huge profits. Watch this video till the end or you may miss some most crucial tips to consider. Now let's start. 1. Invest on real estate. Among the most common passive income options available to novices is real estate investing. And starting doesn't need thousands of dollars, owing to real estate investment firms. Actually, you can invest in individual income-producing real estate assets with as little as $100 with firms like Arrived. U.S. investors may purchase individual properties and vacation home shares on Arrived. Dividends from the revenue these assets generate then flow to you. You may also profit from perhaps appreciated homes. And it's very beginner-friendly since all you need to get started is $1,002. 2. Launch a blog. Money is not simple to get by blogging. Still, this is one of my top suggestions for novices looking for passive income as, with enough time and work, anybody can launch and grow a side gig. And, if you work hard and understand SEO fundamentally, I think you can monetize a blog in a year, as many people describes in their blogging guide and article on the route to a $100 per month site. After a little more than 4 years of writing, my friend now regularly brings in $10,000 to $20,000 a month and $400 a day from advertising alone. He also wants to keep growing WebMonkey over the future years to hit new income targets with Mediavine advertisements and other affiliate partnerships. Actually, in 2020 the blog brought in $22,000, but in 2021 WebMonkey brought in $92,000. In 2022, it brought in an astounding $272,000. Though it's not passive income yet, each month it becomes simpler. My friend explained all these to me and I have also started uploading blogs. You can also take the help of AI to generate blogs for yourself. AI bots like ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and paraphrasing tools like Quillbot are really helpful and can help you boost your writing speed. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. 3. Make dividend stock and ETF investments. Because anybody may begin investing in dividend-paying companies even with little initial capital, this is undoubtedly one of the finest passive income options for young people. Divide-paying businesses abound, and you may become a shareholder by purchasing these stocks or mutual funds, ETFs that include dividend-producing corporations. I own many Vanguard funds as well as other dividend-paying equities and ETFs. You may start with a very little sum as well. If you would want to start investing, I suggest using the 0% commission investment software Stash. 4. Utilize applications for passive income. Another easy approach to generate micro-income streams for oneself is using passive income applications, which really need very little work on your side. In actuality, a lot of applications pay you to download them and sell your data. Popular passive income applications include Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel, which allows you to share your information with the Nielsen panel and earn cash and gift cards. US only, Mobile Expression, earn credits that may be used for a range of free gift cards. Mobile Performance Meter, earn between 10 cents and 30 cents daily. 5. Fixed income investments. Using fixed income assets is another passive income concept novices might investigate. These investments are intended to provide a certain amount of income, just as their name implies. They are therefore a more dependable choice for anyone trying to earn money on a monthly or yearly basis. Fixed income investments include things like bonds. Worthy Bonds currently offers 7% APY, high-yield savings accounts, current offers 4% APY and a $50 sign-up bonus, CDs, money market accounts, and preferred stocks. 6. Print on demand, or pod. When I was in college, I opened my own pod shop and used Etsy dropshipping to sell the most hideous mugs. In the end, I only earned 2 sales and my pod manufacturer declined to produce my product as I had flagrantly violated many trademarks, but hey, these are just technicalities. The fact is, The obstacle to entry isn't all that great if I could start sales by offering actual trash online. I didn't succeed because I was concerned with my studies that time, and for that, my execution process just got shuffled. 7. Domain money. Would you want help with your money and a fantastic 6% APY earning opportunity? You may look into domain money if you can respond to both of these queries. New American platform Domain Money matches you with a specialized CFP to assist you with your investing. It now offers an amazing 6% APY on cash deposits as well. A 6% APY is a great approach to generate passive income and is quite competitive. The true selling point is also that you may collaborate with your advisor to create a personalized investment strategy that suits your objectives and situation. If you need guidance, this plan provides unrestricted calls, SMS, and video conferences. Even other financial matters, such as tax filing, may be assisted with. 8. Rent storage space. Neighbor can genuinely help you convert extra space on your house into a source of revenue. For American residents, Neighbor is like the Airbnb of storage space. You may rent out spare space to locals and be paid passively each month. You decide your own monthly price as the host. To prevent someone from showing up out of the blue, you can establish criteria for when they may access their belongings. Neighbor pays with PayPal Cash per month and also offers insurance. Depending on your area, you might simply and with little work generate $50 to $200 a month in passive income. 9. Spend on artwork. Historically, only the extremely rich have had access to artwork investment. This is changing, however, as fractional investment platforms become more popular. Investments in fine art shares by well-known painters like Banksy, Monet, and Warhol are available via businesses like Masterworks. As shares appreciate, you may then gradually generate passive income. The fact that Masterworks allows share purchases and sales on its secondary market appeals to me as well. And it usually stores artifacts for 3 to 10 years before attempting to sell them and split the earnings. 10. Launch a YouTube channel. Using YouTube to make money is another novice passive income concept you may give a go. Interested in how long it would take to get here, I made the decision to launch my own YouTube channel. After over a year on YouTube, my channel now automatically makes between $400 and $600 a month. YouTube isn't passive at first, rather, like blogging, you start outsourcing tasks like uploading and editing as soon as you start making money. YouTube is also here to stay. This alone, in my opinion, makes this a terrific passive income concept that is well worth investigating. I have an AI-powered channel, and that's why I don't have to work a lot. You could search for the most profitable niches on YouTube and gather some knowledge. That's all for today. Now you know all the best passive income ideas that could make you rich in this year. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to learn and know about these passive income ideas. Feel free to add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions for us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you could learn and know more amazing financial tips and secrets that we upload daily. Click on the like button also because this motivates us to make more amazing financial videos for you all. All the millionaires and multi-billionaires, including Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger, and all others have also suggested about these passive income ideas. Warren Buffett always suggests his people to invest their money to earn a lot of cash while doing nothing. Robert Kiyosaki is a great lover of real estate investing. He suggests people to invest their money into real estate and put it into rent. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching till here.